change the transmission fluid on your Polaris Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove the right side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panel out and lift up to remove. Next, remove the 2 push rivets securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. Next, remove the 3 fasteners securing the rear of the right fender to the footrest support. Continue by placing a drain pan underneath the transmission drain plug. Placing a rag in the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Then remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, carefully flex the right fender downward to gain access to the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and properly dispose of the used fluid. Next, carefully reposition the right fender and reinstall the 3 fender fasteners. Torque to specification. Next, install the push rivet to secure the fender to the footrest. Continue by installing the 2 push rivets securing the lower right portion of the console. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.